how to fix incompatible drivers error for memory integrity. Firstly, go to Windows and type Settings, and after that go to Apps and click on Optional Features and scroll it down. Here you can see more Windows features. Just click on the option and scroll it down, and after that tick mark on Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform and click on OK, and both of the features will be installed. And after that, reboot your PC and this should help to fix your incompatible drivers error for memory integrity. But if this does not help, go to Settings again and type msconfig, and after that go to Services and click on Hide All Microsoft Services, and after this make sure you disable all the services that are checked in here. And after that, restart your computer again, and this should help to fix your incompatible drivers error for memory integrity. And if you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.